For lots of people, when they hear Aruba, they think of beautiful people on stunning beaches surrounded by friendly flamingos. Yes, we've all seen those dreamy posts on TikTok or Instagram. But stepping off the plane in Aruba doesn't automatically get you to the flamingos. There are a few more steps to take. So how can you capture your own unforgettable moment with these amazing birds? What's the easiest and most affordable way to see the flamingos? Stick with me to find out what we discovered during our visit to Aruba and what the best ways are to see these pink beauties and snap a photo that's sure to become your next profile picture. There are 2 private islands in Aruba where you can see flamingos, each with its own unique access. The most famous spot is Renaissance Island, which is privately owned by the Renaissance Aruba Resort. If you're staying at the resort, you're in luck. The access to the island is included with your stay and you can take the complimentary boat ride to get there. But if you're staying elsewhere, don't worry. You can still visit Renaissance Island with a day pass, which includes a boat ride, a meal, and access to all the amenities. Just remember, passes are limited and sell out quickly. The way to obtain the pass is each Saturday at 9 a.m. There's a limited number of day passes that are available on their website, and they're sold on a first-come, first-served basis for the days in the next week. There's a limit of 5 passes per purchase. Kids are allowed on Flamingo Beach from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. only. Outside these times, kids can enjoy Iguana Beach. Iguana Beach is family-friendly and you'll have iguanas come by so the kids can get a close-up look. Kids can feed the iguanas as they come out from the bushes. Such a wonderful experience. Cost for a day pass starts at $130 US per person. Children 6 to 12 are around $60 and 0 to 5 are free. It includes a food and beverage credit of $25. I will put the link to the Renaissance Day Pass website in the description below. Next, we have the Palm Island. This island offers an all-inclusive experience that includes food and beverages, snorkel gear, banana boat rides, and water parks with exciting slides and yes, flamingos.
Don't forget to show some love by liking and sharing this video with other travelers. You can also leave a comment, we always respond.
A regular day pass to the Palm Island is available with bus transportation, and tickets are $129 for ages 10 and up and $109 for ages 3 to 9, where walk-ins tickets are $115 and $104 for ages 3 to 9. With this pass, you can see the flamingos, take pictures with them behind a fenced area. But to actually mingle with the flamingos on a private beach, you'll need to rent one of the 4 available cabanas. For $409, which covers up to 10 people, these beach cabanas offer luxury beach beds, a refrigerator stocked with prosecco, juice and water, a sofa, a dining area, towels, private beach bar, and concierge service. For this option, you'll have to call or email the Palm Island and book the cabana in advance with your ticket. Please check their website for more info. Whichever option you choose, Renaissance Island or the Palm Island, you're in for an incredible experience where you can enjoy Aruba's beauty and get up close to these stunning birds. For more information about Aruba, including maps, prices, and everything in between, watch our full video or check the description below. We will help you plan your most amazing Aruba vacation. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy travels!